In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your YouTube suggested content. So if you're being suggested the wrong type of videos on YouTube, I'm going to show you how we can go and reset the algorithm. Now start by heading over to the YouTube website and make sure you're signed into your account. You can then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then you need to scroll down and click on your data in YouTube. Now from this page, scroll down to YouTube watch history and go and click on this. You could then scroll down to the bottom and click on manage history. Now scroll down again and click on this delete button, and you need to select delete all time. Now as you can see here, YouTube uses your search history to suggest you those types of videos. So the first thing we're going to do is reset this by clicking delete. Now once you've done that, you can head back over to the YouTube homepage. You can then start searching for the type of content you want suggested for your YouTube. Now the more things that you search and the more videos that you start watching, this is what's going to build up your home feed. Now if you see a video on here that you don't want suggested, you can always click on the 3 vertical dots next to that video and press not interested, and that's going to stop recommending videos of this type of content. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.